Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to take sum of values in MS Excel given in a column. If you want to get the summation of entire column, there is a built-in command in MS Excel and you can find this built-in command here under the name of Autosum. What you will have to do is to go to your desired column, like here in this sheet I want to take summation of income for an entire year in this cell. So what I will do is select this cell that is labeled as B14 and I will come here and press this button Autosum. This will select entire column. If I press the button enter on my keyboard, it will give the summation of entire column. However, if you want to take sum of certain values and not entire column, you can also get that summation with the help of MS Excel. I am going to demonstrate summation of customized selection. So let's suppose I want to take sum of income in month of August, September, October, November and December. What I will do, I will write here a formula that will start with the sign of equal, then I will write sum and I will press tab to start brackets and I will give the label of this cell that corresponds to the August, that is B9, and then I will press colon and I will write the label of the cell that is upper limit of my selection, which in this case is B13. So when I wrote B13, MS Excel showed me entire selection area. If I have to change the selection, I will change the label of desired cells. However, I will keep this selection and press the enter button. Here I will get the summation of income from month of August to December. I hope this video will help you to understand how you can take summation in MS Excel. Thank you.